Understanding the methods and tools used in password cracking is essential for anyone involved in cybersecurity. By learning how attackers operate, we can build better defenses and protect our digital assets. This brings us to Hydra, a powerful and versatile password cracking tool favored by ethical hackers and cybercriminals alike. Hydra is an open-source network security tool, renowned for its speed and flexibility in cracking various remote authentication protocols. It's a favorite among security professionals for conducting penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. What makes Hydra so powerful? It's the ability to launch dictionary attacks against multiple targets and services simultaneously. Imagine a battering ram relentlessly trying thousands of passwords until it finds the right combination. That's Hydra in action. Hydra's versatility is another key advantage. It supports numerous protocols including Telnet, FTP, HTTP, SSH, and many more. This makes it a valuable tool for testing the security of a wide range of systems and applications. Now that we understand what Hydra is and why it's so effective, let's dive into the practical aspects of using this powerful tool. Kali Linux, the go-to operating system for penetration testers and ethical hackers, comes pre-installed with a vast arsenal of security tools, including Hydra. However, verifying its presence and updating to the latest version is always good practice. To check if Hydra is installed, open the terminal and type Hydra H. This command will display Hydra's help menu if it's installed. If not, you can easily install it using the following command: sudo apt-get install Hydra. Once installed, it's crucial to keep your tools updated. Use the following command to ensure you have the latest version: sudo apt-get update and in sudo apt-get upgrade Y. With Hydra successfully installed and updated, we're one step closer to launching our password cracking missions. Next, we'll learn how to configure Hydra and specify our targets. Before launching Hydra, we need to define our target and configure the attack parameters. This is a crucial step to ensure that our attack is both efficient and effective. This involves specifying the target IP address, the service we're attacking, for example, SSH, FTP, the username, and the password list. Each of these elements plays a vital role in the success of our password cracking attempt. Let's illustrate this with an example to make it clearer. Suppose we want to test the security of an SSH server with the IP address 192.168.1.100. This is a common scenario in penetration testing. We suspect the username is admin, and we'll use a password list named common_passwords.txt. This list contains a collection of commonly used passwords. The Hydra command would look like this: Hydra L admin p common_passwords.text //192.168.1.100. This command is straightforward but powerful. Let's break down this command in detail. Specifies the username as admin, specifies the password list file, defines the target service, SSH, and the IP address. Hydra offers numerous options to fine-tune your attacks, such as setting the number of concurrent connections, specifying port numbers, and defining timeout values. These options can significantly impact the performance and success rate of your attack. We'll explore these advanced options in later sections, where we delve deeper into optimizing Hydra for various scenarios. For now, let's move on to executing our first password cracking attempt with Hydra. This will give us a practical understanding of how Hydra operates. Section 5. Fire in the hole, executing password attacks with Hydra. With our target locked and Hydra configured, it's time to unleash the beast and launch our password cracking attempt. Simply execute the command we crafted in the previous section, and watch Hydra go to work. As Hydra works its magic, you'll see a flurry of activity in the terminal window. Hydra will methodically try each password from your list against the target service, displaying its progress and any successful login attempts. Remember, the time it takes for Hydra to crack a password depends on various factors, including the password's complexity, the password list's size, the target server's speed, and the network connection. Be patient. Good things take time, especially when it comes to cracking passwords. Once Hydra completes its attack, it's time to analyze the results and see if we've successfully breached the target. Section 6. Deciphering the results. Understanding Hydra's output. After Hydra has finished its assault on the target, it's time to analyze the battlefield and see if we've emerged victorious. This is where the real work begins, as understanding the output is crucial for determining the success of our efforts. Hydra presents its findings in a clear and concise manner, allowing us to quickly assess the outcome of our password cracking endeavors. The results are displayed in a format that is easy to read and interpret, even for those who may not be experts in cybersecurity. If Hydra successfully cracks a password, it will proudly display its trophy, the username and password combination that grants access to the target system. This is the moment of triumph, where all the effort pays off. This information is crucial, proving the vulnerability and highlighting the need for stronger security measures. It serves as a wake-up call for system administrators to bolster their defenses. However, not all Hydra attacks end in triumph. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, the target remains secure. If Hydra exhausts its entire arsenal of passwords without finding the right combination, it will report that no valid login credentials were found. This is an important outcome as well. While this might seem like a defeat, it's actually valuable information, indicating that the target's password security might be robust, at least for now. It shows that the current security measures are effective against the attempted breach. Understanding Hydra's output is crucial for interpreting the results of your password cracking attempts. It helps you to know where you stand and what steps to take next. Whether you're celebrating a successful breach or analyzing a resilient defense, Hydra's reports provide valuable insights into the security posture of your targets. These insights are essential for planning future actions and improving overall security strategies. Section 7. Navigating the minefield, avoiding common Hydra pitfalls. While Hydra is a powerful tool in the right hands, it's essential to use it cautiously and responsibly. Like any powerful weapon, Hydra can be misused, leading to unintended consequences. One common pitfall is launching attacks without proper authorization. Remember, targeting systems without permission is illegal and unethical. Always obtain written consent before conducting any security testing activities. Another common mistake is using weak or outdated password lists. The success of a dictionary attack hinges on the quality of the password list. Ensure your lists are comprehensive, up-to-date, and tailored to the target you're attacking. By being aware of these potential pitfalls and following best practices, you can harness the power of Hydra responsibly and effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, but it's ethical application that truly makes a difference. Section 8. The White Hat, Hacker, Ethical Considerations and Responsible Usage. As we delve deeper into the world of password cracking, it's crucial to remember the ethical implications of wielding such powerful tools. The knowledge and skills we acquire must be used responsibly and with a clear understanding of the potential consequences. Just because we can crack passwords doesn't mean we should use this knowledge for malicious purposes. Ethical considerations should always guide our actions. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing, employs the same tools and techniques as malicious actors, but with a noble purpose: to identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This proactive approach helps in safeguarding sensitive information. By thinking like an attacker, ethical hackers help organizations strengthen their defenses and protect their valuable data. This not only prevents potential breaches, but also builds trust with clients and stakeholders. When using Hydra or any other password cracking tool, always operate within the boundaries of the law and with proper authorization. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Obtain written consent from system owners before conducting any security testing activities. This ensures transparency and legality in your actions. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The impact of your actions can be far-reaching. Use your knowledge wisely, and always strive to make the digital world a safer place. Your efforts can make a significant difference in the fight against cyber threats. Section 9. Knowledge is power. Conclusion and further resources. Congratulations! You've now embarked on your journey into the world of password cracking with Hydra. You've learned what Hydra is, how to install and configure it, and how to launch dictionary attacks against various services. More importantly, you've gained an understanding of the ethical considerations surrounding this powerful tool. As you continue to explore the vast landscape of cybersecurity, remember that knowledge is your greatest weapon. The more you learn about attack techniques, the better equipped you'll be to defend against them. Hydra is just one tool in a vast arsenal available to security professionals and ethical hackers. Never stop learning, never stop experimenting, and never underestimate the importance of ethical hacking in making the digital world a safer place. Now go forth and use your newfound knowledge responsibly.